Hello guys, welcome to Amazing Engineering, and this is the first video tutorial of Solidworks. As I show you in OpenFOAM tutorial, Solidworks is one of the best software for mechanical design. Today, in this first tutorial, I will show you a simple introduction to Sketch and 3D modeling. As you can see, this is the home page of the software, and in order to create a new file, you can click on this point or go to File and click on New. As you can see, we can create a simple part, an assembly or a mechanical drawing. Today we will create a part, so click on Part and click on OK. Every time you want to create a body, first you have to create a two-dimensional sketch. So let's go to Sketch field, click on Sketch and select one of these planes, so the front plane, the top plane or the right plane. As you can see, we have a series of tools in Sketch field. For example, we can create geometrical figures like a simple line, a circle, a spline, a rectangle, an arc of circle, an ellipse, a slot, a polygon or a fillet. So let's create two simple lines. You can also change the dimension of the figures, clicking on Smart Dimension and selecting the figures. For example, we can set that the distance between the first and the second point of the line is 100 millimeters. Then if we select the whole line, we can set its dimension, for example, 120 millimeters. Now, if we select both lines, we can add a relationship between them. For example, we can say that they are parallel, or they are vertical, that they are equal, and something else. If you want to delete a figure or part of a figure, you can use the tool Trim Entities and you can delete the figures. Or for example, if you create a circle and a line through the circle, thanks to Trim Entities you can cut this part of the figure or this one. While if you set Smart Dimension and select the two lines, you can set the angle between them, for example 50 degrees. Okay, now let's create a simple rectangle, and after making your sketch, you can extrude it thanks to the tool Extrude Boss. So you can choose the direction of the extrusion and the extrusion length. For example, 150 millimeters. Now we can do some operations on the body itself. For example, we can create one or more holes on the body. So for example, if we want to create an hole on this face, you can select the face and create and create a sketch on the face itself. So we can set a circle in this point, close the sketch, and in order to create an hole, select the sketch and click on Extrude Cut. If you set blind, you can set the length of the hole, while if you set through hole, the extrusion runs through the whole body. So click on OK. And this is the hole through the body. If we want to create a series of hole, we can modify the sketch of the cut extrusion and select linear sketch pattern. Thanks to this tool, we can create a series of circles in one or more direction. For example, we can create a series of circles along the X and Y direction. We can set the distance between the circles, for example 60 millimeters. We can also change the direction of the pattern and the number of circles. Click on OK, close the sketch, and as you can see, we have a series of holes along the body. You can also create a fillet on one or more edges of the body, and you can also set the radius of the fillet like this, and you can also create a revolution of the body, creating a new sketch. Click on Revolve Boss and select the axis of revolution. So, thanks to the revolution tool, we have created a cylinder starting from a simple rectangle. We can also make the same operation of the previous body, or if we create a sketch on this face, for example a rectangle, we can extrude this new sketch starting from the cylinder surface, and in this way we can create a more complicated body. As I said at the beginning of the video, this is only a simple introduction to the software, and in the next video we will create some bodies which will be more and more complicated, and I will show you other aspects of Solidworks. Okay guys, this is all for today. I invite you to subscribe on my channel and see you for the next video.